Do you want to try it?
Oh my god, Olivia!
What's wrong with it, Jenny?
That is so gross!
No, it's not. It's just my food.
Give me a try!
Okay. I cut my leg open. Jenny, I cut my leg open.
Oh my god, Olivia, are you okay?
No, I just cut my leg open. No, I'm fine. There's just blood
Oh.
spurting everywhere. To die for.
Read
Want
what
some
I was
more?
just reading in the newspaper before. Read it. Look at that.
Oh my gosh! Jenny died?
Jenny!
Jenny Bell. You know she used to go to school with us.
Billy, oh my god.
She always used to hate you because you had the same name.
Why would you say?
It's so sad.
It's okay, Olivia.
It's okay. It's okay that Jenny Bell.